Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert Microsoft Word file into PDF file. So open the document that you want to convert to PDF. So once you open it, so I open the document right here. Now you need to click on file in the menu bar. Okay, now on the left hand side you need to click on save as. Now you need to choose the location where you want to save your converted PDF file. Now I am going to save it on desktop. Okay, now you'll get a window just like this. Now name the file. Now you can see under this save as type. Okay, so it is written as plain text or it will be written as Word document. Now click on that. Now you'll find an option called PDF right here. Okay, click on the PDF. Then you don't need to change other options. Now under here click on save. Okay, now it will save the file as PDF file here, and it has also opened in Adobe Reader just to show you. So I'm going to click here. Okay, now I'm going to the desktop. Now you can see the file here, new file that I named it, and you can see that it just converted Microsoft Word file into PDF file. So this is how you can convert MS Word file or docx file or doc file into PDF file. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.